Con tus labios rosados, yo me muero por una prueba de placer. Siempre que estoy a tu lado, lo que siento, nadie más lo podrá saber.
Hello everyone, greetings from Puerto Vallarta, Mexico. For today's video, we are going to have a complete walking tour to Crown Paradise Golden. It's all-inclusive resort. So if you are planning to visit Mexico and you're going to stay here, for sure, this video is for you. So come along with us, guys. So this is the arrival area. If you're taking Uber or taxi, this is where they will drop you off. And as soon as you enter, you will be greeted by the bell service and the security. Hi, hola, I'm going to have to walk through here. I hope that's okay for you guys. Yeah, and on this side is the Mexican restaurant. This one, Mexican restaurant.
No demuestra.
This is the lobby. There's also a connectivity room here, a working station, a very nice working station. And this is the registration area. A lobby here, nice decoration. And this is the concierge over here. Oh, by the way, look at this. An international cuisine, a nice restaurant, and also a paradise Mediterranean cuisine. I think there are 3 restaurants here. Oh, in the buffet area is the 4th one. And there's a bar here. You can play billiard over there. Waiting area. And this is the buffet restaurant over here. So if you will come here, you have to register on this table. I like the buffet restaurant, except for the dessert bar. It's full of beef. Yeah, there's also a shop here. So if you forget something, you can buy it from here. And at night time, this is where they will display and sell jewelries.
Dale, bésame, ven y atrápame, hagamos jueguitos que de chiquito no pude hacer. Dale, bésame, ven y atrápame, que ahora juntos sabemos bien lo que vamos a hacer. Dale, bésame,
Paella.
hagamos jueguitos que de chiquito no pude hacer.
What do I want?
Bésame, ven y atrápame, que ahora juntos sabemos bien lo que vamos a hacer.
And look at this. The cold cuts area and the fruits are here. There's some bread here. Again, I saw some bees. Bees again. Look at that. There's a bee there. And we will go to the swimming pool. This is the swimming pool. There's also a washroom here. Lots of cabanas, lounges, chair here. Some shows are being conducted in this area by the pool. Okay, I like this bridge actually. Yeah, there's another pool here. I think it's a jacuzzi. jacuzzi. Yeah, here, over here. Look, it's very nice. So our room is over there. It's an oceanfront room. It's very nice. The ambience, the location is really perfect. But I'm going to give my review later because there are some imperfections that I saw. Of course, there's always. You know what I like in this hotel? It's very close to the airport. It's only like about 15-minute drive to the airport. And a walking distance to the marina, which is the start of all the adventures here in Mexico. It's only like 5-minute walk to the marina.
And this is how it looks like during nighttime. It's so serene and peaceful here. All you can hear is the sound of the waves.
Let's go over there. Let's continue our walk. Oh, early in the morning, you can reserve your preferred cabana here. Yeah. So, very nice view early in the morning. And there's also another bar in here. More cabanas owned by the hotel. Hola! Lots of cabanas.
Como tú lo mueves, pa pam pam, haciendo locura en la mañana. Si alguien te pregunta, no ha pasado nada, solo amaneciste.
There's another bar over here, and that's our room where the tallest coconut is. Yeah. So this is the bar. They have sushi at night. Look at that, a very nice view.
And during daytime, this place is so busy. There are lots of vendors too.
Esa voz tan delicada no demuestra lo que tú haces con mi piel.
And this is the building 2, right? Building 2 of the hotel.
This is where our room is, and I'm going to tell you guys, we book a deluxe ocean view room.
So this is our room, 2510. We are at the 5th floor of Crown Paradise. So let's have a tour. As soon as you enter, to the left side is the washroom. There's a single lavatory here with a mirror and a hair blower there, complimentary soap, shampoo and conditioner, and this is the toilet bowl, and the bathtub is here. Some complimentary shampoo from their spa. There's a shower head, some towels there. And on this side, to the right side, is the security bags and also an extra pillow. And here is the closet with a baggage rack and wooden hangers. And this is the drawer where they put the fridge. Here is the fridge, mini fridge, and they stock with drinks every day. Nice working table here and a flat screen TV. There's a table there also, and also a full-length mirror. And this is our beds. I don't know, I booked queen bed, but this is what we got. Anyway, no complaint, it's fine. And there's a phone here, lampshade, and a clock. Looks like it's outdated. So, and this is the wow part. Wow, that's the view of the Banderas Bay. This is where the action is. That's the part of the hotel, the bar, and a very nice day here. Wow, beautiful. Wow, look at that sunset, it's so beautiful. Wow, amazing. Right from our room. Nice. A pirate ship. We don't need to go for the sunset cruise. We can already see from our room, right? Yeah, we don't need to go there. We can see it from here. The beautiful sunset, amazing.
And on the other side, this is the view.
This hotel has a sister company also, the Crown Paradise Club Resort, something like that. This is the spa, however, it's still closed. There's a fountain here on this side, but it's not working right now. And this is going again to the lobby. The gym, they have a gym here. It's a small one, but it's just okay. And there's a tennis court over here where you can play. And if we will continue walking, that's the spa. A washroom here. There's two ATM machine here. And this is the sister company of the hotel. Paradise Club, sister company of Crown Golden. If you have kids, this one is very nice. And a restaurant, French cuisine. Yeah. During daytime, there are lots of kids here. Nobody's in here yet. And look at that. That's a perfect one for the kids, right?
Hagamos jueguitos que de chiquito no pude hacer. Dale besos.
Some restroom here. And okay, there's a pool here, another pool to the left side, another pool over there, and a very nice restaurant here. It's a Japanese restaurant. The location of this hotel is perfect. I really like it. It's very close to the marina. This is the way going to the marina.
Beside the marina is a flea market.
Con tus labios rosados, yo me muero por una prueba de placer. Siempre que estoy a tu lado, lo que siento, nadie más lo podrá saber. Vamos y sin censura, yo te hago todo a ti, dulzura.
We're here, and there's a pharmacy over there, and also that's the Nitro Club or Club Nitro. Yeah, that is where they are doing the night show.
En mi cama. Dale, bésame, ven y atrápame. Hagamos jueguitos que de chiquito no pude hacer. Dale, bésame, ven y atrápame.
So there's a shop here.
Bien lo que vamos a hacer.
This is one of the cheapest all-inclusive resort here in Puerto Vallarta. However, what we don't like is the washroom. It smells so bad and it's not that really clean. Aside from that, the lampshade is rusting and also some of the items are outdated and they need to be replaced. But you know what? I still recommend this resort, especially if you're on a budget. And aside from that, it has a very nice location. It's very close to the marina and just a few steps away to the beach. And the view from the room is just amazing. You don't need to go for a cruise to see the sunset. You can see it right from your room. Thank you very much for watching, and I hope this video helps you a little bit if you are planning to stay here. And if you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to give a thumbs up, comment, and subscribe. And by clicking the icon bell, you'll be notified for my future uploads like this. Thank you very much for watching, and see you again on my next video. Bye for now.
Pero el mejor viene arrechado, no va